Welcome back to Lily's Everyday, everyone. My name is Lily, and today I will be making ghee, also known as clarified butter. For our clarified butter, we're going to be needing a heavy set pot, 2 boxes of butter, which is equivalent to 8 sticks, and a clean container to bottle it up. Let's get started. First off, we're going to go ahead and slice our butter into even slices to ensure even melting. Once all the butter has been sliced, put it in the pot and start melting on the medium flame. Slowly stir the butter to ensure it will not burn. After a few minutes, the butter will start to bubble and form this froth. These are the impurities rising to the top. Continue stirring to ensure the butter will not burn. Lower the flame to low and skim off the top with a spoon and remove the froth. Once the froth has been removed, you will notice a much clearer form of butter. This is the ghee forming now. Continue stirring the melted butter and removing the froth as it forms on the top. As we move along with the process, the impurities will lessen and it will give us a greater quantity of clarified butter. Once the outer circle of the melted butter starts to brown, the ghee is ready. After the ghee is ready, we're going to go ahead and strain it to remove any additional impurities. You will notice milk solids that have formed on the bottom. For this reason, I like to strain mine twice to remove as many impurities as possible. Here's what we have so far, and look at that beautiful color on the ghee. That's what we're looking for. On the bottom you can see additional impurities, which we're going to remove again by straining it the second time using a fine mesh skimmer. I have the link down below in the description box if you'd like to order this. And now I'm going to go ahead and hold it over the container I intend to bottle it in. This is the clarified butter after all the impurities have been removed. It looks just like honey, and as it cools down, it's going to solidify and it's going to turn into this very light yellow color. And here's the result after the clarified butter has been completely cooled down. It has this beautiful color and it has slightly solidified. I hope you guys try this recipe at home and see how easy it is to make your own ghee. I've seen these retail at the grocery stores for about $7 for a small bottle when you can easily make that at home. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already and share this recipe with a family or a friend. Take care and see you next time.